A question I get a lot and something I go over and over again with my clients is belly breathing. My name is Dr. Nicole. I'm a physical therapist and a mama, and I think that belly breathing is really, really important for starting the healing process after we have babies, for keeping strong cores and pelvic floors, and for maintaining a good strength and good mechanics with all the lifting, moving, and carrying that we do as moms. So the first step to learn how to effectively belly breathe is to just think about inhaling and exhaling with the movement of your stomach. So we're going to do this 3 times in a row together. I want you to inhale and feel your belly expand. As you exhale, I want you to feel your belly muscles come back in. Inhale, fill your belly up with air. Exhale, push all the air back out of your belly. Inhale, fill your belly, fill your lungs, fill your rib cage up with air. Exhale, force all that air back out of your belly, back out of your ribs. Now that we've worked on the simple task of breathing and moving our belly along with the breathing, let's focus on our pelvic floors for a moment. I want you to go ahead and tighten up your pelvic floor muscles. Squeeze and lift your pelvic floor muscles. And relax and let your pelvic floor muscles go. Lift and squeeze your pelvic floor muscles up and in, away from a chair if you're sitting or away from your feet if you're laying down. And let them relax back down into the chair towards your feet if you're laying down. Squeeze your pelvic floor muscles up and in one more time. Squeeze tight, tight, tight like you were stopping the flow of urine or passing gas. And then let your pelvic floor muscles completely relax and all your openings open back up. So now that we have worked on the belly breathing and we have worked on the pelvic floor contractions, let's put those 2 things together and learn how we can make the most out of our pelvic floor strengthening and our breath work by combining the 2 together. So let's do 3 repetitions of this together and I will talk you through it. I want you to take a big breath in, expand your belly, and feel your pelvic floor muscles relax and open up. Exhale, take all the air out of your belly, squeeze it in, and lift your pelvic floor muscles up and in at the same time. Inhale, fill your belly up with air. Let your pelvic floor muscles relax and open up down towards the chair if you're sitting. Exhale, blow all the air out of your belly and lift and squeeze your pelvic floor muscles tight together like you were stopping the flow of urine or passing gas. Take a big inhale, open up your pelvic floor muscles, and let your belly fill completely with air until there's no more room left. And exhale, squeeze your pelvic floor muscles up and in together and blow all the air out of your belly. You can feel free to do any of these exercises both in standing and laying down and sitting in a chair, whatever is most comfortable for you. Oftentimes I encourage women to try it in different positions because sometimes you'll find that it's easier in one position versus another. And eventually you want to be able to do it in all positions, but start with what's easy and work towards those positions that are a little bit harder. Today in the Mom Share All, I would love to know, have you ever paid attention to what your belly was doing when you've been breathing? Some people call it belly breathing or diaphragmatic breathing. Have you ever practiced this before, or is this totally new to you? So go ahead and comment below with whether or not you've ever heard about this belly breathing business. I wanted to leave you with something today that I think will be really helpful, especially if you are moving into the postpartum recovery phase anytime soon, or maybe you are there right now. It's a free cheat sheet that you can download that just walks you through not only breathing and pelvic floor strengthening, but also some of the things you can do for your scars or how to incorporate core strengthening into your daily routine Very gentle, things that can be done within the first 6 weeks after having your baby to really prepare you for that 6-week appointment. When you're given the go-ahead to exercise and the go-ahead to have intercourse again, your body is going to be more prepared than the average mama. Thanks so much for joining me today. I always love to spend this time together. I would love to have you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I put out tons of new content that I think every mom deserves to know about, and I don't want you to miss any of it. I'd love to get a thumbs up if you liked today's video, and I can't wait to see you all next week.